Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be creating an epic artificial intelligence. So this will be a really fun project and I really hope you guys will enjoy it. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So first of all we need to import PyTSX3 just like this. You will also need to download this library. So I think it's like pip install pyttsx3. I think it's like that. And so now in order to like make it we'll start working, we will write AI is pytsx.init. So this actually makes the thing work, the whole entire system. And now we can write AI.say hello. And now we need to also write AI dot run and wait. I'd also like to say, guys, that you can kind of like change this name as well. For example, if you would like to call it my Alexa or anything like that, yes, you're free to call it like that. And so now let's try and make it run. And as you can see, you just heard the system say the hello we wanted. Okay, wonderful. So now if we'd like to add some more stuff. So for example, I'd like to make sort of a system that would kind of like greet you and make some comments. So here we'll put import time. So pip install time if you don't have it. So here we'll write hello epic flip viewers. And then we'll also put AI.say okay, so first of all here we'll write time is time dot oh no, sorry. Time dot seed time, just like this, and brackets. Oh, and we need to change this name so that it's like not the same as this. And AI.say f and just like this. And here we write currently it is the. Oh wait, let's just put it is the. And here we'll put timey. So if you're on it now, so I hope you guys heard it. I'll just put the volume a little bit up. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. I find this really cool. So now we can actually put some user input and start doing really fun stuff with this. So for example, over here we can write AI.say. I'll just change the keyboard really fast. Okay. AI.say what would you like to do? Right. Just like this. And now we need to get the input. So we'll put the question is input, just like this. And so now we actually get an input. Wait, actually, we should put Well, let me just try and run this. Yes, we should actually put this before the input. So control copy, control V. Now we can put like if question is, for example, hashtag joke, then the system will have a list named jokes. Jokes is and you can put your jokes over here. I don't know really any good joke. Oh yeah. So for example, what do the kids use to call each other? Oh yeah, we need to put this in brackets. Each other, the Yoda phone. And also we need to import, if we want to do this, we need to import random. So, wait, sorry, import random. Actually, let's put from, no. To import random, so pip install random if you don't have it. And now we put, over here we need to put comma and one more joke. Well, let me think for a joke. This will take some time. Okay, I found a good one. What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know. But the big flag is a big plus. Oh no, just but the I don't know. But the flag is a big plus. And here we'll put joke board is random dot choice jokes. And now we'll put AI dot say and it will say joke board. It's like this, because this will choose a random joke from this list. So now it will say the random joke. And AI dot run and wait. And I really hope this will work right now, because let me just try. And let's what's happening? Oh, oops, what? Oops. Oh, I was running the terminal. Sorry, guys. Let me do this. Ah, oops. Sorry. Okay, just like this. So as you can see, he just told us a random joke. I just found on Google. Yeah, so this is so I think this is a really fun project what we created here. And so now we can also create like many more like the if statements. So for example, oops. So over here we can write not one more. So from Pygame import mixer. So again we need to install Pygame. So pip install Pygame I think, and here we write if question is hashtag music, then mixer dot init mixer dot music dot load. But right now we're just putting it empty, and mixer dot music dot play again, and so if you then put your file name over here and you actually run it, it should start playing the song. So you need a file though. You can of course reuse it, and it needs to be a WAV file as well. And so then also you can add so many more like things like if statements over here and do so many more fun things. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. I hope this inspired you to make a new epic Python project. And if you'd like to see me doing more on this, leave a like. If this video gets like 5 likes, I'll make another episode on this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice rest of the day, and yeah, see you in the next video guys.